Hey, welcome back in, man. How you been? Everything good? Let me show you the design that I came up with for your kitchen concept. This is again your first preliminary, so you can go into detail. So before we start, I have your design up screen. Take a look at these renderings. You can let me know what you think in terms of the look and aesthetics. The finish is in glass and also century oak melamine. But at this point, since this is your first preliminary design, we can make any changes in color or boxes. And just to show you how simple that is in terms of changing a color, you see that white box up there. So if, for example, let's say you want it in a different tone, you could definitely do that at this point. And it's that simple. So we can change the tone of colors for all the units, and just to show you how the inner workings of how they open and close, so you can get a visual of how that would operate. Okay. Now, based on this design, again, it is a preliminary concept. I do have an estimate for you at this point, and we could definitely either go a little lower in scale in terms of the price point, or it depends on how you feel moving forward. But again, at this point, take advantage of the second preliminary design. That goes into your second design. We can make any changes, fine-tune the details. Let me know what you think. I think it looks great. All right. Well, thanks again for meeting me, and I hope to see you soon.